Hi everyone at ICS and TCN, this is Miss Allison and I'm back in the kitchen for a really fun cooking video. So today we're going to be learning how to make root fruit slaw. I introduced root fruit slaw to ICS and TCN about 2 months ago. I gave it out as a taste test, I gave it out as a garden snack to some of my classes, and I even made it with a few of the classes. And so I thought it would be a really fun recipe to teach everyone how to make. In our root fruit slaw, we have 4 main ingredients. And as you can imagine, there are root vegetables and there are fruits in our salad because that's why it's called the root fruit slaw. And so the first thing that we're gonna go over is the 3 roots that we have in our slaw, and then we'll go over the 1 fruit that we add to the slaw as well. So the first root vegetable that we're gonna add is the carrots. And as you can see, carrots come in a variety of different colors, and I thought it would be really fun to get carrots in 3 different colors to make it look really, really nice in the salad. And so I've got an orange carrot, I've got a purple carrot, and then I've got a yellow carrot. The next root vegetable that is in our slaw is jicama. And so I really love jicama. I actually grew up eating it as a snack in my lunch when I was a kid, and so I just think it's a really great addition to the slaw because it adds crunchiness and a really fresh taste to it. The last root vegetable that we're going to be adding is the beets. So I also have 2 different kinds of beets with me. So I've got my purple beet and my golden beet, and I've got 2 different colors of beets because it will look really nice having a variety of different colors in the salad. The last ingredient is our fruit, which we've got some apples. I grew up in an apple orchard, and so I always love apples, and they're always a great addition. They're super crunchy, they add some sweetness to the slaw, so it's just a great thing to put in the root fruit slaw. So those are our 4 main ingredients. We've got some carrots, we've got some jicama, we've got some beets, and we've got some apples. Now that we've gone over the 4 main ingredients, I'm going to start making the slaw. The first thing that I'll be doing is peeling the carrots. I've got my peeler and I've got my carrots. So let's get started. The carrots all peeled and ready to go, the next thing is I'm going to be peeling the jicama and then cutting into squares. Now that we have the jicama all cut up, the next thing that we're going to be doing is we are going to be peeling the beets. So we're going to use a peeler again. So now that we've peeled the beets, it's time to cut up the apples. Alright, So we are done prepping all the ingredients. We've peeled our carrots, we've peeled and cut our jicama, we've peeled our beets, and we've cut our apples and put it into squares. So now it's time to combine all the ingredients. So I'm gonna start with the carrots. Just put them in this bowl right here. Right. I'm gonna put the jicama. Next thing, the beets. And then I'm going to add the apples. So now that I have all the ingredients, I'm going to mix it up so that all the ingredients are mixed in. One thing that I love about the salad is how colorful it is. So there's different colored carrots, there's different colored beets, and then we've got the jicama and the apples that add different colors as well. So it just looks so beautiful when you put it together. So now that we have the salad prepared, the last thing that we want to do is add some sort of salad dressing or seasoning. And so today I'll be making an apple cider vinegar dressing. So the first thing that we're going to need is 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, which is in here. We're gonna need 2 tablespoons of honey, juice of 1/2 of a lemon, which is right here. And this is actually a fresh lemon that my friend picked from a tree. So it's really nice to have fresh lemon. We are going to have 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/3 cup of olive oil. So now we have finished making the root fruit slaw. We've got our slaw in here, our salad dressing in here, and since I made such a big portion, I'm going to get a little bit into this bowl so I can have it as my lunch. So I'm gonna just get a little bit. All right. So I've got my little bowl in here. I'm gonna shake up more of the salad dressing, pour a little bit on. All right, and now I'm ready to eat my lunch. I hope you enjoyed watching me make my root fruit slaw, and I will see you guys all next time. Bye.